Hey y'all, it's Joanna. As parents, we all know there are few things more precious than a happy, giggling baby. Those little teeth working their way up can cause a whole lot of discomfort for those sweet babies, and some sleepless nights for us parents. But don't worry, we've got this. I'm excited to share some tried and true hacks that we used with our little ones. These are simple, practical tips that can make a world of difference when those little teeth start making their grand entrance. But here's how to make it easier. When those little gums start getting sore, one of the best things you can do is offer something cool to soothe them. A chilled teething ring is perfect for this. Just pop it in the fridge, not the freezer. We want it cool and soothing, not rock solid. They'll love gnawing on it, and the coolness will help numb those sore gums. Just be sure to check for any punctures or damage before each use. Now, y'all, sometimes the simplest solutions are the best ones. When our babies were teething, I found that a little gum massage went a long way. Just make sure your hands are freshly washed. Gently rub your finger over your baby's gums in a circular motion. The light pressure can feel so good on those aching gums. It's a sweet, intimate way to connect with your little one and offer some comfort during a fussy time. One thing that always seemed to calm our little ones down was a good feeding. Whether it was breastfeeding or a bottle, that close contact and the act of sucking can be incredibly soothing for a teething baby. Plus, it keeps them hydrated, which is so important, especially if they've been running a fever. Once your little one starts on solids, you have even more tools in your teething arsenal. Cold foods can be incredibly soothing on sore gums. One of our go-tos was chilled applesauce. It's soft, it's cool, and babies just love it. Plain yogurt is another great option. Just make sure it's nice and cold. You can even offer chilled, pureed fruits and veggies. Just about anything soft and cool will feel good on those little gums. Of course, always supervise your little one while they're eating. Make sure to cut everything into small, manageable pieces to prevent choking. Now, let's talk teething toys. There are so many options out there, but we always gravitated towards silicone and wooden teethers. They're durable, easy to clean, and they just feel good on little gums. Plus, they come in so many fun shapes and sizes. Always inspect them for any damage before giving them to your baby. You know, sometimes all a fussy baby really needs is a little extra love and attention. Teething can be tough on those little ones, and it can make them feel out of sorts. So, when all else fails, scoop them up in your arms, give them lots of snuggles, and just let them know you're there for them. A little rocking, a soothing song, or just the warmth of your embrace can make a world of difference. Here's a simple trick that we use time and time again with our little ones. A plain, clean washcloth. Just wet it with cold water, wring it out well, and pop it in the freezer for a few minutes. Once it's nice and cold, you can let your baby gnaw on it to their heart's content. The texture is great for their gums, and the coolness helps to soothe any inflammation. Make sure to choose a washcloth that's specifically designated for your baby and wash it thoroughly after each use. Teething is a phase. A challenging one, yes, but it's just a phase, and it will pass. Remember to be patient with your little one and with yourself. You're doing a great job. With a little love, a little patience, and maybe a few of these tried and true tricks, you'll get the rest of this. Subscribe for more baby care tips that actually work.